Hello, this is Christy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up or slow down a video in Adobe Premiere. I'm using Adobe Premiere 2020 here. It's part of the Adobe suite, and I've just opened a new blank project in Premiere, and in my project media I'm going to just import a video clip, import media, and from this video clip I'm just going to create a sequence, new sequence from clip. And I'm going to just, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to remove the audio just so we don't have any audio going on. So you can see this video. It's a video of a driving on the road. So I would like to slow this video down. It's a little bit fast, so I want to use it in a slower, move it slower. So all I have to do to slow it down is just right click on the video in my sequence, right click, and select speed/duration. And this dialog opens up, and I can do it two ways. I can actually say the percentage of the speed that I want to use. So at the moment, the original speed is going to be 100%. So if I want to make my video move faster, I have to put 200%, for example, or 150 or whatever. Or I can make it slower by slowing down and putting 50% speed, which means it's going to move half as fast, right? So I'm just going to make it half as fast. So I'm just going to put 50%. And one thing here, you need to tick the box to ripple edit. If you have other clips after this clip, you want to tick ripple edit, which means it's going to shift all of the clips after this one to match the end of this one. So if you have videos that are starting after this one, then it's going to move all of those and bring them to the end of this one, just like it is now. So I don't have that now, so I'm just gonna, it's not gonna make any difference for me. So I've just selected 50% speed. So I'm gonna click OK. And now you can see the duration of my video has changed. So it is twice as long. And if I play it back, you will notice that it's actually going to be slower. Now you have to be careful. If you slow a video too much, it's going to appear like it's, it's like too slow, and your frame are going to be very jittery, and it's not good to exaggerate with this. Likewise, if you want to make it go faster, you just right click on this, speed and duration, and it's at 50% now. Let's do 200%, which will be twice as fast as the original. Click OK. Now the duration has become much shorter now, and if I click and play this, it's going to be way faster. This appears to be like driving too fast. So there you have it. This is how you change the duration of a clip in Adobe Premiere. Either slow it down, speed it up. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and come back for more as I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.